Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make reposts private on TikTok. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, all you have to do is first of all access your TikTok account. Go back from this section. Once you have opened up your TikTok app, you need to remember one thing is that TikTok does not offer a setting to hide only your repost. But what you can do to do that is you can go to your profile, tap on three horizontal line, aka the menu icon on top right corner, settings and privacy. Then from this section, tap on private account and toggle this on. When you do that, your account will become private and all of the reports are also gonna be private. That is the only way to make your account repost private. Otherwise, you have to go back and go to your repost and delete them individually. Right, that is the only way available. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.